Alright everybody, we're going to go over something today. It's a long time debate. Still probably hasn't even been figured out. But we're going to settle that once and for all today. What actually came first? The chicken or the egg? You know what? Who cares? Let's make some scrambled eggs. What's up everybody, my name is Lee Bartow, and of course, today we're going to do some scrambled eggs. That being said, let's get up to the kitchen. Really? Awkward? I guess he's trying to make more eggs. Alright everybody, now that we've got our crazy chicken under control, let's gather our ingredients. We need 3 whole large eggs, black pepper, kosher salt, whole unsalted butter, and heavy cream. Now it's time to get them ready for cooking. Gently beat the eggs. You want to add in your heavy cream and whisk it gingerly, just enough for them to incorporate. The chicken worked hard to make those things. It's time to cook the huevos. Make sure that your pan and your heat is set to about 75%. Add in your unsalted butter. Get it to start moving around and softening. Now once your butter is fully melted, add the eggs. Now the trick to a proper scrambled egg is to not mess around with them too much. You want to pull it in from the sides so that way it allows the outer portion to cook and it pulls everything to the inside, which creates a fluffy pillow. Now while your eggs have been cooking for about 35 seconds or so, you want to tilt the pan so that way you can work all that excess runniness. Once you see that the runniness is starting to go away, take it off the heat, turn it off, and allow the residual heat in the pan to actually cook the eggs. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and add your seasonings, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper and a little bit of kosher salt. Boom! And there you have it. It's just that simple. Look at those light, fluffy, cloud-like, may I say even pillow-like, fresh scrambled eggs. Yeah! Thanks again for watching everybody. And I apologize that we didn't get to the bottom of that chicken, egg. Who cares? We learned how to make some really good scrambled eggs. And if you like my content and you want to see some more of it, there'll be a link to them right up top here. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a link right up over here. Also, anything that we worked on today in the video will be down in the description recipe-wise. As well, please follow me on Instagram and the Twitter. Once again, keep cooking with style.